Hey everyone, Kate here. I have a quick tip today for choosing paint color for your home. Now, I know today it can be really easy just to go online and find designers you love and look in the comments section on all their gorgeous photos to see what paint colors they're using in their spaces and just say, you know what, these look great. I'm going to use these same colors in my home. That's not the best way to choose color for your space. The way color looks in a room is so dependent on so many different things, from lighting to the style of your home to the color of your floors and the color of your sofa. So the way these colors look online, there's a really good chance they're not going to look the same in your space. So instead of just relying on inspiration photos to find colors for your home, a better way to do it is to take a screenshot of those inspiration photos and bring them to a paint store in real life. Then compare the paint swatches to your inspiration photo and find 5 or 10 colors that are very similar to the one in the photo. Bring all those paint swatches home and look at them in your house. And then from there you can see which colors are going to give you the effect of that inspiration photo, but in your home. And there's a good chance that this might take you a few times to get right. You might have to hold them up in your room, go to the store, buy some paint samples, put the paint samples on your walls, and kind of do a process of elimination until you find one that you really love. But this is a better way to find a similar paint color or to get a vibe that you see online in your home than simply going off the name of a paint color and deciding that's the one you're going to use for your space. Because if it's a gray, it might look brown in your home, it might look white, it might look charcoal. So there's just a lot of variability when it comes to choosing paint color. If you want more information on how to choose a paint color step by step, I have a really great and in-depth blog post on it that I'll link in the description below, so be sure to check that out.